Hi ho, Key the Vlog here. Welcome back to the channel. And well, this might be the final drive, folks. We are on our way over to the body shop to have them take a look at this car and see if it's fixable. After kind of looking at it in depth a little bit over the last few days, I'm thinking this car's probably totaled. The geometry's off on the trunk. The trunk deck doesn't close, and it's not because it's blocked anywhere. It's because the bottom of the car has been pushed down. The doors, the door gaps don't quite line up anymore. Though I gotta tell you, I don't know that they were that great to begin with, but this one specifically it's touching here. So that's no good. Yeah, this car's probably totaled. So not what I was expecting to see here. It's pretty cool. Well, while we wait on news of the Tesla, here is my new daily driver, a 1991 BMW 325 convertible that has been recently manual swapped. I knew there was a reason I did that. I need a new daily driver. Tesla is total loss. I think I want to go back to driving Radwood full time, daily. Right now, my BMW 325 project is my car. That's not great because this car needs some more work, and I'm at one of those classic impasses. What do? I got this car to give it away on my YouTube channel after we do the Volkswagen. So I wasn't planning on putting a lot of money into this car, to be honest. I did do the manual swap on it more because I broke the transmission and I wasn't going to take it apart, fix it, and put back in an automatic. Anyway, we've got several cars lined up to go check out on this video, so if you want to help me decide what to get as a daily driver, stick around. Okay, we've narrowed it down to two contenders. Number one, another Calypso Rote. This one's a 1990 BMW 325i convertible. Here locally, it's just going to be a lot less expensive to buy one that's already in decent shape than to get the one that I've got into daily driver condition. I really love driving the car, so getting another one that is mostly sorted and then sorting the rest of it out over a weekend or two is, to me, a better option than trying to do body work, paint work, suspension work, all of the work to get the one that I've got into daily driver condition. Option number two is a 1992 Acura Legend. These are cars that I grew up with as aspirational cars, and always wanted one, and usually they're pretty rough, but I found one. Actually, I didn't find one. Patrick, the chief problem officer of this channel, Patrick has found one relatively close by in New Jersey that looks really good. Good enough that we're going to take a road trip up to New Jersey to actually look at it in person, because when these things do come up for sale, they're usually pretty ratted out. They've been modified. This one looks like it's pretty original, original owner kind of thing, pride and joy, you know, all of that jazz. All right, so we got a couple cars to look at. Let's go see which one I should get. All right. So it was pretty obvious which house we were going to. We didn't even see the address, but you know, Land Rover, GTI, other BMWs. Old pickup truck. Old pickup truck, yeah. Volkswagen pickup truck? Is it a Volkswagen? It is. A Volkswagen pickup truck. Yes, we have found our people. Wow, that looks really nice. So does this. Work in progress. Yeah, I see the paint is in much better shape. Yeah, this car is much nicer. That dash is not cracked. Well, a little bit. Just a little bit. A couple
small stress fractures.
Yeah.
But I've drilled small holes in the ends of each one.
Try to keep it from spreading. Yeah. And this one was a few hours away. We had to make a little trip up to New Jersey, just outside of New York City. So thanks to Ivan and Mitch for making a day of it. Good times. And here's our first look at it. Deep blue on the outside, gray on the inside. Always wanted a car with this combo. Always wanted an Acura Legend of this vintage. This is a nice one. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Okay, yeah, and I'm
Yeah.
going to show you. I have all the
Records.
records for it. This, the radiator.
Yep.
Whenever there was something, little tiny thing wrong, I called up and brought it in.
Yep.
So there was a little leak here.
Yep.
So they replaced the radiator.
Nice.
Okay.
Also want to give a big shout out to Bob here. He took amazing care of this car. Bought it new in 1992, and you can tell he really loved this car.
Did you come in 33?
No, actually, we
Started out alright. Even you said best intentions. I know. I think we had some fun anyway. But little things were too much, like never calling on the phone. You don't have to call.
Really, is anybody surprised at this point that this is how it ended up? I got both of them. So, hope you enjoyed this one. You're going to see both of these cars at Radwood, Philly if you come up to Subaru Park on June 10th, 2023, Philadelphia, Radwood. It's going to be a lot of fun. Please come say hello. Maybe even sign up to potentially buy my Mark II Jetta for $2 when we reach 2,000 subscribers. Some links to that stuff in the description and cards and all the things. Thank you for watching. Next up is getting all these cars ready to go for Radwood. So if you want to see us do a manual swap on an E28, that's got to happen. A little bit of work needs to happen on this car. A little bit of work needs to happen on this car. The Jetta's pretty much squared away, ready to go. If you want to see that one early, we're going to be at Dubs at the Lake here next weekend, May 21st. So see you there and see you at Radwood, Philly. Thanks for watching. See you next time. We have the window sticker for this car, $33,000 in '92. We googled that. It's over 60. Yeah, it's over 60. Yeah, this is over a $60,000 car to buy it new today. The fact that it's not rattly after 30 years is really just incredible. It'll get out of its own way. If you step on it, it'll go.
But will it get out of someone else's way?
I don't know. 200 horsepower. This car has the same amount of horsepower as the 308. Yeah.
Say no,